Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be going through the current portfolio with emphasis on the closed trades. Let's have a quick look at some of the option strategies that have been used and can be used. If higher prices are to be expected, buying call and selling put vertical may be suitable. If lower prices are to be expected, buying put and selling call vertical may be suitable. If the price is expected to be range bound, buying a butterfly and selling iron condor can be used to capture the profits. If the price is expected to be range bound and also has the potential to move in a direction, it could be a bullish direction or a bearish direction. Buying a broken wing butterfly can be used to capture the profits. More strategies and explanations can be seen from the website. Let's take a look at the summary of the closed trades. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. Let's proceed to take a closer look at the trades. Let's have a look at the chart of SPY. This is a continuation of the big money bearish play. I would expect the price of SPY to have further downwards pressure. Entry is on 23rd March, with exit on 2nd April. In summary, this is a bearish trade. There is entry price of 66 cents and exit price of $1.50. Knowing the movement of the big money provides an insight of what is going to happen in the future. A nice 127% gain for this trade in 10 days. Let's have a look at the chart of EL. This stock has shown strength despite the weak market. A 2-day bullish trade. Entry is on 3rd April with exit on 5th April. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There is entry price of 99 cents credit and exit price of 50 cents. Getting hold of a strong stock that defies the weak market is the success of this play. A nice 50% gain for this trade within 2 days. Let's have a look at the chart of XLE. This sector has been underperforming for a long while till I've spotted the turnaround in this sector in the middle of April. The sector has finally proven itself with higher prices. Entry is on 12th April with exit on 18th April. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of $1.11 and exit price of $1.63. Knowing the turnaround point is the key to success in this play. A nice 45% gain within 6 days. Let's have a look at the chart of XOM. With the turnaround in the energy sector, I went ahead to look for a key stock within the energy sector. XOM is a key stock in the energy sector. With the energy sector moving higher, XOM has a very good chance to move much higher as well. Entry is on 12th April with exit on 18th April. In summary, this is a bullish trade. There's entry price of $2.57 and exit price of $3.58. Going along with the sector movement is the key to this trade. A nice 39% gain for this trade within 6 days. Once again, this is the list of closed trades for the month. Do note that I have both winners as well as losers. All trade information can be seen under the performance page in WhaleTrades.com. For the open positions, they are available under the portfolio section. You can go under trade, portfolio, and you will be able to see all the open trades available. Do note that big money is inside many of these positions, and they are the potential targets of merger and acquisition. When that happens, this will send the stock price surging to the roof. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.